bakers and chef, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Chef Jude and I am your sous chef for today, or like cook for today or baker for today. And anyway, today I'm going to make you guys a lemon cake, puppy lemon cake. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to make it. It's very easy as long as you have all the ingredients with you. Just kidding. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna make it more easier for you to follow my recipe. And if you want to know that, I have the recipe. I'm gonna put the recipe in my description box, or you can find that in my YouTube channel. But anyway, without much further ado, let's do the baking. So if this is your first time to watch my video, please don't forget to subscribe, please, and then share my video. Press the notification bell so that you will be notified that I have a new video in my YouTube channel. So yeah guys, thank you so much for supporting me.
So at this moment of time, we have to mix all our dry ingredients. Then make sure we have to mix it properly, like so that all of them like properly incorporated. Because sometimes if we miss to mix it properly, some part of our dry ingredients, like you can find more baking powder the other side or something like that. So make sure it's properly mixed. That's it. So after a few minutes of creaming our butter and sugar and some egg, it's time for us to combine our mixture of flour, baking powder, and cornstarch to our butter mixture, and then try to whip them like in a slow speed until incorporated, or also the color become pale. If the color's pale already, that's the time for us to put that in our baking loaf molder. And so before I put this mixture in the loaf pan, I already preheat my oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then bake this for 45 minutes or less if we want to become this puppy lemon loaf become like soft and moist. And right now in my hand, I'm mixing the lemon juice which I got from one lemon which I also where I took my lemon zest and then some powdered sugar and mix them. If you think it's too thick, just add a little bit, like 1 tablespoon of water, and that's it guys. After mixing it, our sugar glaze is ready. to glaze on our loaf bread or loaf cake. So the perfect timing of putting our sugar glaze is we have to make sure that the loaf is still warm, and that's the perfect time we have to put the glaze so that we can achieve, or we will achieve, the beautiful glaze top on our lemon poppy loaf or cake.
So if this is your first time to watch my video, please don't forget to subscribe, please. And then share my video. Press the notification bell so that you will be notified that I have a new video in my YouTube channel. So yeah guys, thank you so much for supporting me.